So the second way you can promote your gig and get some sales is to use a feature that's on the Fiverr platform, and it's called buyer requests. So how you get there is you go to my sales, buyer requests, and this is essentially where people have posted these are potential buyers who are posting something that they want done. And then what you can do is go in and look at them there, and if you have a gig that matches up to what somebody's looking for, well then you can post your gig. So let's just say you see this offer here. I need to get my site better leave top 10. How much? So this is kind of an SEO one. What you can do is, if you have a gig related to that, you just select the gig. You can select how much it is and then add some sort of personal message. So it's quite a quick way to promote your own gig. You're going to get those reviews back on your gig as well. So that's kind of another way to promote yourself and draw attention to your gig and hopefully get a couple of sales. So the final tip there is you can see the number of offers that have been sent in by buyers to this seller. So it's always good if you can focus on offers that maybe have a low number of offers. I know that's confusing, but basically this number needs to be low, like 1, 5, offers with 23, 28. It's going to be harder for you to win that sale. So try and focus on these low ones. This is also a way that you can discover potential gigs if there's a lot of demand. And this is a place to get ideas. So go ahead and do that as well. Submit a couple of offers against these buyer requests, and that should help you get some sales.